Hello people, in this video I'm going to show you how I remade this cute R.E.P.O rabbits. So first, I modeled a rabbit in Unity using Pro Builder. This is my first time modeling a character directly in Unity. I usually use Blender, so it took a little bit for me to get used to it. After that, give them some simple materials, like a chain. Then, I make a simple walk and crouch animation. This part was easy enough, fortunately. And then I start programming the robot. The most challenging part of it is the wiggly movement. I have two options to do this. I can do it by using a craft or using a PID controller. I chose the PID controller, though in hindsight, I think using a craft would give me more control on the animation. At first, I thought of controlling the rotation directly, but apparently that is very difficult to do. So I changed it to a position controller instead. I made a virtual object that will be controlled by the PIG to follow the object the eye is going to follow. And that's it. And that's how I got the wiggly movement. So now, what's left to do is the mouth movement that is controlled by voice input, the grabbing mechanic, and the changing eye target based on who is talking or if the robot is holding something. But those are for another video. Maybe. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.